welcome you to this course on memorizing names and faces. This is an incredible resource that's going to enable you to meet someone once, memorize their name, and have access to recalling it for as long as you want. And you will never again need to have that embarrassing moment where you're in a conversation and you have to say, excuse me, what was your name again? This is going to be eliminated from your life, which makes you much more professional. It makes you better in all areas of your life, even if you're a student or a teacher or anyone who encounters new names and new faces. And that's another aspect of this course that you won't encounter anywhere else, the ability to memorize how people look, which has lots and lots of applications. If you're a police officer or a doctor or an artist, the ability to look at someone and recall their features is incredibly powerful. And it's not just about memorizing names in social settings when you're using the technique for that purpose. You can also memorize the names of politicians, of authors, of people who are important in your profession. If you're in the legal profession or the medical profession, it's often useful to have names of people who are important to that profession at the tip of your tongue. So we're going to have a great time in this course. I encourage you to go through each and every video and then use the discussion area in the course in order to make sure that the lessons that you're learning stick. And there's a call for you to use that discussion area throughout the course, so please make use of it. It is the best way to interact with me as well, and we are going to have a great time because these techniques are the closest thing to real magic, and they use nothing more complex than the natural abilities of the imagination you already have, but has so far gone untapped. So with all that said, let's get started.
Get up!